Welcome everybody!
Let's go! Alright, so, welcome guys. It's our first live stream. And yeah, there still might be some hassle here.
The audio being super loud.
Yeah, but we'll make it work. We actually have that camera there, which you can see me and Artturi from.
Hello!
And then we have this soldering station camera here. And
Yeah.
it's actually my phone,
Yeah.
so yeah. So you can see me soldering and hear me because I have a microphone in my head.
Yeah, that's right.
And then Artturi will set up the
Oh my god, okay.
yeah, Artturi will set up the simulator at the same time I'm soldering.
Yep.
This be like an hour stream or under.
Yeah. Just a little test for tomorrow, I think.
Yeah, tomorrow we will make much longer stream.
Yeah.
Alright, I will go to the soldering station.
Yeah, you will do that.
It's a bit tight fitting here. You haven't even seen the video. We have progressed
Yeah.
quite far.
All of this in the stream is something you haven't seen. The side walls.
Yeah,
The video is coming out next Friday. But here you can already see them.
yes. So, could you actually post on our Discord channel that we're streaming?
Oh yeah, I should do that.
Yep.
It's just a little hassle with this.
I will move this camera in a better angle. And I will probably start from the AFDS panel
Yeah.
right here. I actually have one of those ribbon cables already creamed, which I have showed in the video, so I can use it first.
Yeah, and if you don't care to see me, I can just change it to the iPhone and you can see full screen what Aapo is doing.
Oh yeah, and if you want to see only what Artturi is doing, Artturi can change that too.
Like this.
And of course we have the explain scene there also.
Yep, it's
So-
right here. Let's see if the audio is connected. So there we go.
And a little bit of technical problems,
Yeah, but
that's
now-
why we are doing this, so tomorrow will be much more fluent
Yeah,
and straightforward.
that's right. I don't know if you can hear me either because they have a mic right here. Let me turn the camera here. We have a microphone right here.
Yeah, I can actually show you better. So we have this mic, but it's
This
connected
mic.
to USB.
Yeah,
Because-
and it can't quite reach me unless I speak like this. So my audio might be a little bit further away.
Yeah, but we will see what we can do about that for tomorrow. I have the microphone right here.
Yeah. But I think... Hello everyone. We have 2 views, only 1 concurrent, so I don't know if that's just our channel.
I don't know.
But here we are.
First, we need to get some cables, Arduino cables. They're here.
We have very nationalistic Finnish songs playing in the background.
Oh yeah. Oh shit. These are what I need now. The female to female connectors. I don't know about the camera angles, but yeah.
Oh yeah. While you were gone, not your viewers, but while Aapo was gone, I printed some more parts for the dual encoders, and now they fit nicely. With 6
Nice.
millimeter hole.
Nice. Yeah, it's been a real hassle to deal with those dual encoders. We modeled them ourselves, so
Yeah,
Yeah, but I guess now they're working pretty nicely.
Should be. I'll just put some no copyright music here.
Yep. Alright, I will go here now.
On alla konkurrent.
Oh no. Did you post on the Discord channel?
I haven't done that yet.
Come on.
Tuleekohan se puolalainen tänne?
Jaa,
Ei voi sanoa nimeä. Mut voikohan suomeksi se ei tajua.
niin.
Onkohan tää Discordi vieläkin tällainen rikki?
Niin, avautuuko se?
Se on vaan harmaa.
Ei vittu, mitkä näistä pinneistä pitikään olla näissä nyt? En muista. I don't remember the AFDS pins.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I will plug in every connector and then decide what to do. Yep.
Tästä kuulostaa. Onko sä puhuttu paljon?
But yeah, this should be quite easy to do. It's just connecting these connectors right there.
It's okay.
Nice.
Oh, hello, XX Franek. Are you Franklin? I would guess by the name.
Hello from myself too. I'm here connecting the cables
Yeah. I'm here.
behind the sim.
So, explain and I'm gonna make the Discord post so we can see some people here.
Yeah. Good thing.
Announcements, live stream, share, there. Oh, why is the yoke handle removed? The yokes, oh hold on, let me switch camera angle for you.
Do you need a free cam?
No, I think this is fine.
Alright.
The reason why we have the yoke handles. The reason why we have the yoke handle removed is right here. We have both of them. One goes here and another one goes here, but you can see that we are missing the input section. And that's missing because we ordered the metal gears in 2 batches and the second one is about to arrive next week probably.
Yeah, probably.
But since we don't have the gears, we can't install the yoke handle part that would go here. We had them installed and we have some plastic gears, but we wanted to move to metal gears instead of the plastic, so that's why we're doing some changes here. It might be a little bit weird because the videos we have done on YouTube are not up to date what we are doing currently.
Yeah, but I think it's quite cool because you get to see some insights from our building.
Yeah.
And then see the refined videos that we do after this.
And to answer Franklin's question, how is the yoke so shiny? Well, first of all, it's just 3D printed, so it wouldn't be shiny otherwise. But we added some gloss paint on this, spray paint, and then we added a clear coat, a glossy clear coat spray paint. So essentially just spray paint the plastic and it looks shiny and nice.
Now I need the pin layout.
You have it on your phone, right? Or
Yeah, I do, but I have the camera also on my
Oh,
phone.
yeah.
Do you have some paper? I can write it down.
Yeah. Yeah.
And meanwhile, Artturi is getting the paper. I can show you actually the insides of the MIP panel, main instrument panel.
Yes, go ahead and show.
Yeah. We have right now installed every panel that is needed. The nose wheel, steering selector, and the light boxes. Also the DU selectors, AFDS, fuel panel, gear lever, and the plexiglass. Also we have modeled the standby instrument panel. Yeah. And it's ready for screen installation really soon. Or it is actually now ready already. Already it is ready for screen installation, but we're preferring to do the electrical work before it. At least some of it.
Oh, it's announced from that contest that you made. Did somebody win? Yeah. The AFDS module, the PCB that we designed and had a giveaway on our Discord server. That one is the AFDS shown on the video. Let me show you that one. And yes, it was indeed won our Discord. I don't know if we ever announced who won it. We didn't really ask if the person wanted to be announced on our Discord server, but maybe we could do that.
Yeah, probably. Could you change the cameras so
It's
I don't have my phone showing?
Okay, I'm gonna switch to both.
Alright.
So what I'm doing on the computer, what about the chair? How are you going to make it?
We actually have the chairs.
Yeah, in fact.
We could probably go show it. I don't know if the Wi-Fi is strong enough to...
Yeah, we'll take a look if we could soon go ahead and show the chairs. They are in a different area of our workshop displays. I don't know what to call this. They're outside, let's say it that way.
We can always grab one here.
Yeah, that it wouldn't be actually too bad to have one on the simulator up there so we could sit on it. But we'll see. No, it's not a problem at all. We like to show things if people ask, and it would help us too.
I'm still finding the pin layout. I have it in Discord at least if I don't have it on my phone.
You send it to the winner.
Yeah.
I'm going to open Mobi Flight Connector.
Could you open the Discord there? Because I don't
it's open.
Or
It's
Discord.
open. Hopefully none of these private messages are showing to anyone on the stream on the main camera.
It would be quite nice to have those showing.
Yeah, leak all our information. I still didn't put the Discord post.
Oh yeah. Well, now you're gonna do it.
Soon.
There it is.
Okay. Number 1, ground. Number 2, ground.
2 ground, 3 VCC.
How did you make the MIP background, not the panels themselves? Open cockpits. No, we don't use any parts from any other manufacturer. We make everything ourselves. And the MIP background is fiberboard with a fiberglass installation on the back. And that means it is it's really thin, 4mm thin. And it's easy to work with and it's very strong. So fiberboard and fiberglass combined makes a very strong main instrument panel backboard. All the holes are cut with a multi-tool or a Dremel or other sort of drill. We have mobile flight update as well.
And every one of these and these I can decide to pin. Yeah, right. Because mobile flight is.
Yo, yes.
Yeah.
Latch and data in are decidable.
Yeah, and MOX S0, S1, S2.
Yeah, all of those. Yeah, but they will be the same for every single multiplexer in the future. So
yeah,
decide that cleverly.
Nope.
Is Bob breakout board better than Arduino? I don't exactly know what breakout board is in this case.
It's probably the whiteboard, the Arduino type of.
But what does it mean if it's better than Arduino?
Oh yeah.
If you mean a separate interface card, then I'm not sure about what it is. But if you mean just that kind of breadboard, that kind of white board where you can plug in pins, we prefer straight into Arduino. And for our simulator, we don't use any breakout boards, just all straight into Arduino or BCBs.
God, I have a lot of grounds here.
Oh, I just noticed you're from Finland, that's why it's Finn. I thought your guy name is Finn. No.
Nope.
Yeah, I think that's a really common misconception with our channel. Neither of us is called Finn. That is not a Finnish name. Finn is just like, Finnish. Finn. We are from Finland. But it's okay if you call us Finn. We understand.
Finally, I have it here.
Okay, so now that Aapo, the white guy, now the white shirt guy,
White guy.
is walking with the paper over there. He's gonna start soldering.
Yeah, I won't actually solder anything right now because I have the.
Yeah, you can start the install.
Yeah. And my camera still shows it here. Yes, it does. Alright. So.
Oh no, what is this?
I don't know if we have missing cables here because they're just floating some cables here.
Floating.
Yeah. And they don't. They seem to be connected to power and everything, but they're not in the Arduino. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's the yoke shaker, stick shaker.
Oh yeah.
Pins, yeah. That's why they're out.
That's right. It's so cool that you're working on it together. I have to work on my 737 myself. Yeah, we were just talking about this yesterday. That like if we didn't meet each other and if we didn't work on this together, I don't think we would have ever started this simulator. I think working on this alone for us would have been too much.
Yeah, so for sure.
Having two of us enables us to work twice as fast double efficiency and we can have some conversation while we're at it. Doesn't get so boring, but I mean it's not boring to make the simulator, but it can be annoying, so having someone to share that annoyance with is pretty great.
Yep. Yeah, I need to connect to the ground, but the ground hub here is quite full.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So,
Hey, look at that. The Discord post might have worked. We have 6 concurrent viewers.
really?
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
If you, well, you probably are new here on the stream. We are just working on some wiring on our simulator, just to show the whole simulator. There it is.
Yeah, and to show the back of it,
Here it is.
I can show. Is it showing good?
Yeah, it's the full screen now.
Nice. And yeah, I'm wiring right now the AFDS panel. We have this ribbon cable coming out of here, and I have a Arduino here that I'm wiring it to.
Yeah.
This looks messy still, but we will clean the cables up once we have connected everything.
Did you recommend Coxim parts? Well, I don't know if I really can say that that we recommend them because we haven't tried them. But I mean, if you don't want to make things yourself and go the easy route and maybe the clever route, and if you have the money, maybe you should probably buy things online rather than make them yourself. But
Yeah.
making them yourself is the easiest way, and that's also how you get the most experience with making simulators. So you can do pretty cool stuff on your own without relying on online orders.
Yeah. Yeah, it could be really annoying once in a while to do these kind of things, but yeah, I'm actually studying the same stuff as we're doing here, and Artturi is starting to study it in the in like the autumn this year. So
This correlates to our studies directly in our university studies. So
yeah.
Artturi Sigma. I don't know what. Okay, well. Okay.
Okay. I need a multimeter to measure some stuff.
Yeah.
And by the way, guys, you really should get one these kind of really good digital multimeters.
Yeah.
It's a lifesaver because those analog ones, they're quite bad.
We have one of the analog ones, the old one. We have it somewhere here. Oh, it's on the table behind me.
Yeah.
But it kind of broke, so we bought a new one, and that is a really nice one. Mobi Flight. I will take a look. Did it update? What are these orange and grey like things? Can you show them the orange, the quick connects?
Yes, these.
Yeah.
I don't know the exact name of these, but yeah, these are quick connectors for cables. They just how could I put my camera here to show you better? Yeah, right here. So you can just lift this piece up and the wires just release from the channel, and then you connect by flipping that switch right there, and it's really secure. You don't have any of those, or we haven't had any of those cables come out yet. Yeah, so that's really easy for the simulator use because we need to connect and disconnect quite a lot of cables.
So yeah, in short, just cable connectors.
Yep.
Okay, I don't think we have the MobiFlight config on this computer, so we will either... Well, I'm not gonna make a new one. Do you like Captain Bob? Yeah, Captain Bob does excellent videos on MobiFlight tutorials. That's where we learned our MobiFlight experience. Absolutely a fantastic YouTuber. We don't personally know Captain Bob, but maybe we could do a collab sometime, I don't know.
Yeah, it would be cool.
But yeah, Captain Bob is a really great YouTuber as well. Huge help on the flight sim community. And when is Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 coming to MobiFlight? Yeah, that's a great question. I don't know, but what I can tell you that it won't really affect our simulator because we will be running X-Plane since there's some licensing issues with commercial applications for Microsoft Flight Simulator. But I'll not go too deep in those details. That's boring legal commercial stuff.
Yeah, and it could differentiate anywhere out of Finland.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just here. And it sucks because it's better graphics in Microsoft Flight Simulator, but I guess it's better physics in X-Plane 12.
Yeah, that's
So-
what they say.
Yeah, so I don't mind it at all. It still looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
And once we get a better computer to run this beast, then it will be perfect. Alright, I have the ground connected right now.
I don't think we're gonna do any MobiFlight config now since the config is on my other computer, so I'll need to send it to this computer. But I will add the pin numbers to our Word document
Alright.
if we have any.
Yeah, so to announce it to you, we will do tomorrow. We'll do a longer stream.
Yeah, I think
So
by tomorrow or after tomorrow, the main instrument panel should be pretty much done, with not including the screens and the clocks on the side.
yeah.
Why are you making a second sim? Well, we didn't start this channel, or we started this channel after we built the first simulator, so you don't really know much about the first simulator. But to quickly say, the old simulator was falling apart before we even finished it, and it was outside in the cold, in a small little
Playhouse.
outside building.
Yeah, it was in a playhouse.
Yeah. So first of all, it was just falling apart. It was really crappy. Although in videos it might have looked like it was a perfect simulator. Every single flight that we did was a struggle and nothing really worked nicely.
Yeah, it could have taken like a couple of hours just to get the thing to work for flight.
Yeah.
Mm.
And it just wasn't like we wanted to do a better job. And then was the question, do we remodel the first one or do we just dismantle the first and make a second one completely different? And I guess you know what the answer is, that.
Yeah.
But I think part of the thing why we like simulators so much is we like to also make them. It's not just about flying and the end goal, but it's also about making them. And
Yeah, we have learned so much about electronics and 3D printing, building. and everything. So it's been really amazing to do these things.
Yeah, it's quite fun at times. It can also be really annoying, but it's mostly fun.
Right, there is the 12-volt line. Soon I have connected everything about powering.
Nice. We are missing pin numbers for the captain and first officer trims and autopilot disconnects on our data sheet. So we need to update those as well.
Alright.
But not right now, it's under priority.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna show you we have what was I about to say?
What? Yeah, it.
What are you doing? The lights are flashing.
I was just touching the 12-volt line.
The IDFS unit turned on for a moment.
Yeah, it should be now connected. So.
Oh, nice. Okay.
That should be good that it turned on because.
Yeah, the
at least.
autopilot disconnect red light turned on, so it's pretty cool to see.
Nice. Yeah. Now I have those.
Franek asks, what do you think about the new upcoming collab, Airbus 172 Dreamliner? that is quite the collab, I think. What what on earth?
Yeah, I don't know about those Arduino pins right now. I could just connect them all in a straight line, but I don't know about the pin layout. I need to get another one of those here to just see it.
Oh, and the Arduino.
Yeah.
Alright. I wonder where they are. We might have one there, maybe. Hold on, I'm gonna switch cameras so we can see. Up here we have boxes of stuff, so Arduinos are here.
Yeah.
If we don't have anywhere else.
I hope the audio levels have been good.
Well,
Yeah. I hope the audio levels have been good this time, and my audio is not blowing out or anything.
Yeah, this is an experimental stream, so I don't know if it's any good.
Haha. Candy in it.
Maybe if you get bored of a sim, you could make it for rent, for example, 90 euros an hour. I don't think if I can answer to that question for legal reasons, but we have some stuff going on regarding to exactly that rent.
Yeah, you will
thing.
see in the summertime.
Yeah, something to do with renting the simulator, but I don't think we can talk about that too much. It's very much still in progress, but if you have heard of VA Simulations, that is our company indeed.
Yeah, or will be.
Yeah.
Yeah, one thing we haven't shown you was the rocket firework just blew outside the house. Yeah, but one thing we haven't shown you is this.
Oh yeah. We have a display right there.
Yeah, and it's actually removable. So this frame is coming out. And yeah, it's just a laptop there. But sometime we will change it to screen with the HDMI cable. So it's easier to connect to our simulator, but this will work for now.
We will certainly make a video update about how we do the physical config, digital config of the instruments and screens and explain, because it's quite the interesting process to attach all the screens, and we have a special software to connect multiple computers into one. So we'll make a video about that once we come to that, and maybe not even that far away. in the future. I mean, the video will probably out in a couple of months, but in real life we might do that this week.
Yeah.
But you probably have noticed in the latest video the simulator was not in this stage that it is here. So our YouTube releases are coming quite with a significant delay. But I was about to show you a datasheet that we have. I'm going to switch the screen. And this is gonna be interesting because I'm gonna leak our stream code.
Nice.
Yeah, I think we can do this. So do this, and then I can drag you this. So if you can see, it's quite low res maybe, but over here we have our 737 pin layout / datasheet, and here is the specification for our electrical cabinet, all the electrical stuff, and then we can scroll down, and here we have every single pin that is connected to the Arduino so far. That's not many, that's like only 1 page of pins. The final document will probably be over 20 pages long because there is just so much to connect. But this is sort of a datasheet that we are keeping up, so the config will be easier. I was watching a quiz type TikTok video. It asked, what does this button do? And a person in the comments said, it's a call for food button. Spoiler, it was the autopilot disengage on the yoke. Yeah, I don't think many people know what the buttons do on the simulators.
Yeah, we didn't know when we started, and we have learned ever since.
I mean, if you ask a non-flight simulator or non-plane enthusiast what any button does, they're just gonna say, oh, that's the announcement button, that's the funny button that makes the sound, or that's the takeoff button. But yeah, there's so many buttons on the 737, for example, that probably we don't even know
but
what all of they do yet.
Yeah, and we will learn, that's for sure.
Yeah, we have to learn since some stuff, some unspecified reason.
Yeah.
Can you sell us panels? Do you have a website? Let's see next week. No, seriously. I think somewhere around next to the upcoming month, next week or upcoming month, I think we can release our website. And on the website we can sell our designs and PCBs and about possibly even panels if we have time for that. So I think very exciting time to be a follower of our channel. But to answer the question, yes, we will be selling panels and designs soon. We don't have a website yet. I need to do something. Yeah. We have these dual encoders that I will go ahead and show you here. Here, main camera. I have no idea what you're seeing because I can't see the display on the camera, but this is our dual encoder design. There is a encoder and a rotary switch, and they are mounted mechanically together so that you can rotate this screw here, and it turns the encoder as a direct connection. And if you turn the gray part here, it rotates the encoder and together this makes a very nice component that we need for example, the fuel panel over here. We need 2 of these, and then there are multiple of them in the EFIS panels, and there is one on the MCP. So this sort of design that we made, and this is not a unique thing that we have done. Many people have done this, but this is specifically our own design. But many people have done this. These are a nice addition to add realism. Quite simple. You don't need any advanced 2D printer for this. Just a basic thing. A square box and a couple of gears, and that's it. Is buying your first sim, did you make something like Cessna 172, Beechcraft, Cirrus Vision Jet, Airbus helicopters even? Aapo can answer this, you have the better microphone.
What was the question?
Is buying your first sim, did you make something like Cessna 172, Beechcraft, Cirrus Vision Jet, Airbus helicopters even?
Yeah, actually, Boeing is our first simulator. This is our second Boeing, the exact same model. But yeah, we started by we had always wondered what it would take to create own panels, and we decided, of course, to do an overhead panel. Yeah, and it was really horrible. You have seen pictures of it on our how to make panels, backlightable panels video, and yeah, it was really horrible looking, but it worked. Then we decided to just do the whole simulator because it was quite fun but annoying at the same time.
Yeah.
And yeah, rest is history.
Yeah, I think it all started. We are, just a little background, we are also movie makers, or well, film enthusiasts, and we were filming a sort of a rocket movie.
Pen?
Well, you need the
Pencil.
pen. So we are making a rocket movie, and in the rocket movie we decided, hey, wouldn't it fun if we made a Boeing 737 overhead panel as a prop replica, just like a non-functioning panel for fun. And then it kind of turned into a bigger project. We wanted to make it functional, and then suddenly we were building a whole 737, full enclosure, everything. It just kind of gradually expanded into this larger project. So it was started from that. Yeah, Boeing is our first simulator.
By the way, the AFDS panel is lighting up right now.
Yeah, you can see it on the camera.
It's looking good.
You can see
because
it.
I haven't seen it at all with the lights on.
I'll go ahead and switch this around a little. You can see that there. Do you think a MIP is a great start for a 737 simulator? What would I say about that? The management panel is the most visible part of a simulator, or the plane in general. The instruments and all of that. The gear lever is on the main instrument panel. But aside from the gear lever and some panels like the auto brake panel, there really isn't anything that important in the main instrument panel, besides the screens, of course. And the screens, you don't really need the whole main instrument panel to be made. So I think it may be clever to start somewhere else, like I think some people start with the throttle or yoke, we started with the overhead panel, and it was really fun to fly with just the overhead panel. So in the simulator, you didn't need to use your mouse anymore to flip the overhead panel switches. The MIP is an okay place to start, but there is better. But if you're making a whole simulator, it doesn't really matter where you start. You can start wherever, I guess.
Yeah.
Also, it would be awesome if you saw the gear lever. That is actually not our gear lever design, so I don't know how the legal part of selling someone else's design works.
Yeah, I don't think it works, but we'll probably sometimes soon make our own version of that.
Yes.
Once we have the simulator finished.
Yes. Technically, you can ask Carl at 737 DIY Sim if he. I didn't even say. Carl designed that on the 737 DI Sim. So you can ask Carl if it's okay that we make it, or if it's okay if Carl makes it for you. But that's not our design, so I don't think we can sell his designs or his model even if we made it ourselves.
Yeah. By the way, I have the pin layout right here.
Oh, that's great. We're gonna add that to the file here.
Database.
Yeah.
Where should I put this camera? Probably here.
Okay.
Alright. There were some technical difficulties.
No, there was not.
Actually not. Yeah, but now you can hear us again.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but yeah, the sim didn't explode. I think just because we made the new scene that the audio cut out.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry about that.
That is the it's the first officer ADFS unit, right?
Yeah, and now when I see it, it looks really good. But it has.
Yeah.
It,
Do you have your camera? You can show it on the camera.
yeah, it's there. It's here.
I'm gonna add the camera on the scene as well. Alright, which one is it? Is it this one? No.
Nope. It's probably. Is it display capture? I don't know.
No, it's a
Video capture device there.
This one.
Existing. And it's L. Yeah.
This one.
Alright.
That's,
Now you can see it.
Pretty good.
Yeah. There's the AFDS panel. And it's lighted up. It looks quite good. But since there's both of the lights, red and orange on, I don't know what it's gonna look like when just some of them is on. I hope it's not looking like that it's layered. Like when the orange is on, it's not gonna just show orange on the upper layer. And I think it's not gonna do that. Sorry about the shaking camera. It's quite hard to hold this camera very well. What do you think about this? There are 4 viewers actually here. Hi to everyone.
Oh, hello.
Five viewers actually. Nice. Hello everyone. We have already 38 views on the stream, so it's really good.
That is very good for our channel.
I will put this here for a moment. I will get a gimbal because I think that is gonna change the way of the quality of the stream quite much. Yeah. The last time we have streamed to any YouTube channel, it has been a long time since.
We used to stream Minecraft and all that sort of stuff, but we haven't for a long time, so.
Yeah.
Do you know what the color is of the cable of the? Is it just gray ribbon?
What colors?
Wire color.
For the whole wires.
Multiplexer and that's just in data.
It's just rainbow.
So MOOC 0 needs to be what? Is it? It's the gray ribbon though, isn't it?
We'll see if this works. Yes, it does work. And then we can... Is it this? Yeah. Now it works.
Is clock... what is the last one? Is it DCK or what?
The last pin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wonder
Well, there's... Because I put the LED, DAI and DCK, I put them in a bunch.
Yes, but one of them is the control signal and two of them are the address lanes. I wonder which one is the data, the individual pin.
I don't know.
If this is the clock, which I don't know what DC key means.
Digital.
That is just
Something
data in. But I wonder what data in.
Hmm.
Well, I'll just name it here. I will.
Why can I donate? Do you mean why can't you donate, or why can you? If you mean why can't you, then the answer is that this channel is not yet monetized.
Yes, there is some trouble with that. Work in progress.
Yeah.
But if you, why can you donate? Answer is to support us, and also you don't need to donate. It's not something you need to do.
This is not standing straight. It's a bit weird looking. Yeah. Yeah, why can't you? Yeah. Well, we answered that. Let me see. I can show you something else if you want to. Also. But yeah, this is how it's looking right now. We have those stickers also right there. They're for the wheel tillers. And then there's the wheel tiller put in place. And the reason there's that plate right there is that we may add another wheel tiller right there to the first officer side, because there are some planes which do have that. And doesn't this look good? Yeah, you can ask questions from ourselves about the simulator, and we will answer them, hopefully.
Yeah, we'll try.
Yeah, what the heck is this doing? This is getting bonkers.
What?
It's not behaving quite well.
Oh well.
What the... Well, I think... Is this trader? I don't know. Yeah.
Are the multiplexers 16 pin?
Multiplayer.
Multiplexers 16 pins or
Yeah.
8?
Yeah, 16.
Okay.
So, you probably add them to 8-bit.
Yeah,
Is
no,
it?
I'm
Yeah.
not doing. I'm just writing them in.
Yeah,
here.
but when we do that...
Yeah. We won't do it today because otherwise we would have to redo the whole thing.
Yeah.
We have already made the config, but it's on another computer.
Yeah.
Since we have like 4 computers, so it's always a trouble finding what computer we used last time.
Yeah. By the way, what do you think about this rubber mat we have used for this? Do you think it's good looking? Do you think it fits to this simulator, like look wise? Thank you. I can show you the back of the simulator again if there are any new viewers. So here's the back of the MIP. There are our DU panel selector, then AFDS, gear lever, and the annunciator for the gear levers. then our fuel panel and flap cage, another AFDS DU selector, and some of our Arduino stuff, and then our electrical box here. And it looks like this from the inside, if you haven't seen yet. Yeah, we have made all of these ourselves. I don't know if it's good. It works.
It does work. 7 concurrent beavers, and it's just about the time to end. So.
Oh no.
Looks good. Now we'll make a door for the gear grid extension.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually we will do that.
We will do that too. Yeah, this is work in progress. There's actually our throttle quadrant. We will make another one sometime, but this will work for now.
Oh yeah. This is the for Franklin, the throttle that I was talking about. It's old and it's in need of repairs, but it has all the basic needs, functions that a real one would have, except the motorization is a little bit clunky right now, and the trim wheels are, they do work, and the trim annunciator, if you show it closer,
Yeah.
trim annunciator should move when I rotate this, and it does.
Yeah.
Everything works, and it's motorized. The trim annunciator is motorized and works. It's a nice one, but it's also a little bit old and in need of repair.
Yeah. We'll repair this a bit, just to make it work good enough for our simulator, and then we will, after we have built the whole simulator, we will do a better throttle quadrant.
Yes. And for people who are interested in maybe getting free stuff from us, not promising anything, this is our box of old simulator stuff, and all of this that we have in this box is what we don't need anymore.
So we'll probably sell these
Yes, it's
sometimes.
we'll probably sell this on our upcoming website for the cost of shipping.
Yeah, because yeah, we don't need this. This would go to the waste already. So just for the cost of shipping, you could
Yeah.
get
We
this.
have all these. These are the overhead panels.
You may recognize this panel from our thumbnail of our
Yeah.
most succeeded video.
And we have this panel is from the knee panel of the old design.
Yeah, we will for sure announce on Discord when we are ready to sell this.
Yeah. This I don't know about this one. This is our old AFDS unit, and we'll go compare these two, the one on there and this one.
Yeah, we'll compare it.
So
next
that's the new one, the one with the PCB and custom backlighting, and this is our old one. It never had any buttons because we were so lazy that we didn't make them.
Yeah, so we just pressed on the inside.
We used our small finger and just pushed inside there, and it worked. Looks literally quite horrible.
Yeah, but it works.
It worked, and it was pretty okay.
From the front, it's quite okay.
The only thing with this is the backlighting is with our old method.
Yes.
So in the dark like this, can you even see the backlight anymore?
Yeah, at least from the side
Yeah.
you can't see that, but straight from front you can see it, and when you add the backlighting.
Yeah. Oh yeah, hey, show the backlight for people who haven't seen.
Oh, nice.
We have
Yeah.
a backlighting here, and the power is not connected, I guess. So we'll fix that sometime soon.
Why is it actually not connected?
I think something is.
Yeah, it's
short.
something in those 12-volt lines there. Yeah.
But we won't show it. But this one used to work, and it would light up this panel. But
Yeah.
we'll see. We'll fix that for tomorrow's stream, and we'll show that tomorrow.
Yeah, that will for sure get fixed because tomorrow's stream will be really long.
Yeah.
And yeah, you could get this soon. There are really many panels,
Yes.
and we probably have even more in another boxes.
Yeah, we have like multiple boxes. Oh yeah, this is a really cool one that we will sell. A fully functional wet compass from the 737, like overhead, like in around the roof.
Yeah, that's really good, and it's working. It
Yeah.
also has a backlighting.
Yeah, these backlights, and here you can adjust the brightness. That's bright, off, and dim.
Yeah, it works.
Why is it so goddamn yellow?
I don't know.
Almost
It's just
like
probably.
this. Here's the screen was on the
Yeah,
top.
it's because the green is so white.
So this one backlights very nicely, and overall it looks really good. So this one is what we're gonna sell as well. We'll make a new one for ourselves, since this is, well, we'll make a new one for ourselves.
Yeah, that works, but we'll
Yep.
make even better one for.
Yeah.
Anyway.
This is a display item for us right now. We'll keep it over there.
Yeah. All right, but I think this stream is coming to an end.
Indeed, I think it is. We'll stream again tomorrow, so if you just came to this stream and you are like, oh no, I wanted to ask questions, come back tomorrow. I don't know at what time yet.
Probably we will for sure be up around the same time, but maybe even before this time.
Yeah, well,
So
we'll do a lot of streaming tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. If you are interested, if you have any more questions, come back tomorrow, same time. And
yeah, we will solder everything on that MIP, so main
Yes.
instrument panel.
not only will we solder, but while Aapo is soldering, I'm gonna be configuring them on the mobile flight.
Yes, and the
Simul-
screen is there.
Yes, simultaneously, so we can flip a switch on the real MIP, and we can see the change immediately over here.
Yes.
Right after they are soldered.
All right. But
So, I think that is gonna be it for us. If you like this stream, go ahead and give a like, leave a comment. The stream will be available for anyone to watch after the stream is over. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comments there, or come tomorrow, or come ever. Check out our Discord if you need to follow that. We have also Instagram. We don't really use it. Hello, where is the 4-ball on this? Well, anyway, so thank you for watching, and I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.